Africa. They say if you want to hide an information from an African man, put it in the book. So what is it saying? What does it mean? It means that Africans, they don't like to read.
Okay, that I know.
Yeah. So when you made this book so simple and so easy for entrepreneurs to understand, no stress, you simplified everything. I knew this is the key.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the key, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna on my own. I'm gonna reach out to more people to get the book. There are so many entrepreneurs struggling.
Yeah, I'll sign one for you, one copy for you.
I'll be very glad.
And I'm glad that even at this late hour you managed to make it.
No, sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
But I like that you're also using my introduction, the all-weather bike guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. That was, you make things so you clarify things. You make difficult things look simple.
Yeah.
So when you clarified it, it's enough. I give it to you. I acknowledge it.
Good.
That you made me figure out. Okay.
It is the people solution that you need to focus on.
Yeah.
Not the technology and not the bike tech.
Not the big English, big grammars to try to just make it simple. And that's really clarity.
Okay.
And this book speaks more about it, clarity also.
This is part of, it's a booklet, it's going to be a part of a series.
Okay.
So this is just one part. We managed to write this book in 10 days. From
10 days.
Idea to manuscript to final print version to print in just 10 days.
Okay.
What we did is we use extracts. We did transcript of all our videos, fed it to AI. It then came up with 270 pages. We reduced it to 60
in 10 days.
In 10 days, from idea to transcripts to manuscript to book. So AI is a huge enabler. And African entrepreneurs will get access to AI at the same time as the rest of the world.
Okay.
So there is no chance, there is no reason why African entrepreneurs are going to lag behind.
Yeah.
You will be able to leapfrog.
Okay.
Because in the past, good technologies first came to America and Japan and everywhere, and then to Asia, and then it came to Africa last. But this, fifth generation revolution, it's going to go to everyone at the same time.
You're right.
And without AI, I couldn't do this in 10 days.
In 10 days. This is the power of AI, leveraging the AI tools and all that.
Yeah.
I'm proud to be
good
to have gotten this book, and
and I think your contribution came late. We couldn't put it in the what the readers say. But
I saw it here.
Oh, okay.
This is
okay.
African focus. Africa does not always like to read. You made it simple, easy to digest, 100%.
Good. Okay, so we've not edited them.
Okay.
We've kept your reviews as they are. Even negative reviews, we've kept them.
Which is transparency and all that.
Yes.
Arish, I'm happy. And I'm glad I'm going to spread the good news.
Good.
I call this a gospel.
Excellent.
I'll spread the gospel.
We want to do a number of things. This book is going to become a course.
Okay.
And then with the course, we want to create a networking event. There isn't a place for serious businessmen to communicate, to meet like-minded people, learn